What's up, y'all? It's the Snob Queen, and I'm coming to you with a super quick overview of a custom unit that I just made. For all my units, I'll be using my hair Snobbish Tresses, and as you can see, I'm just simply bleaching the bundles. This texture is loose curly. And this is the finished product after bleaching the hair, washing it, conditioning, and letting it air dry. Now let's get to the real work, putting the unit together. For all of my units, I start at the nape of the canvas head and work my way up, enlarging my lengths as I go. In case you can't tell, I'm looping my needle over and under, pulling it through the loop and making a knot. It may look as though I'm sewing through the band, but I am not. I am sewing through the fabric that is on top of the band. Whenever you sew through the band, it prevents your band from being able to stretch. So make sure you do not sew through the band. Now, as you can see, we're halfway through and a third of a way through. I even added the closure, and I'm sewing, sewing, sewing. We are almost done. Now we are finished, and after her being tied up in clips and clamps, I'm going to spray her down using the Snobbish Bedazzled water bottle, and she's complete. Alright, Snob Squad, thanks for watching. Any details that I left out will be placed in the comments. Remember, keep your head held high so your crown doesn't tilt, and remain snobbish.